Good morning, students.
Where do you live?
I live at City ABC, which is located in the northern part of the country. Although it's a small town, but it provides good facilities to its residents, like people can have efficient public transportation. There are good schools, colleges for quality education. People can have good medical facility from the super specialty hospitals. Also, there are some recreational places like parks, gardens, and few shopping malls have been opened recently in my city.
For how long have you been living there?
This city is my birthplace. I have been living there since my birth.
What do you like about this area?
Well, the good thing about this place is it provides peaceful living to the people. It is not very crowded city like many other cities in my country. Also, there is less crowd on the roads, so traffic is not a problem in my city. The city is developing very fastly and it is providing good facilities to its residents. I have been enjoying my life in this city and I can say that it is my favorite city.
Do you think this city will change in future?
Yes, as I have told you that city is developing very fastly. A number of new and modern facilities have been opened in this city, like there are many new cinemas, some restaurants which are serving multi cuisines to the people. There are more recreational avenues. Number of new roads have been made for the facility of the city people. So I think that this city will be totally different in next few years.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family. I belong to a nuclear family, and my parents and my siblings are living with me.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment. My apartment is located on the fourth floor in a residential building. It is a well planned and well furnished house. Actually, it's a 3 BHK, which is providing a comfortable living to my small family, and it is added with facilities of power backup, 24-hour water supply, and moreover the place is very secure, like the apartment is locked with a single key, and the residential building in which the flat is located, it is in a posh area, so I have been enjoying my life in this apartment.
What do you see outside when you open your window?
When I open my window, I see some other tall buildings at a far off distance. Also, the place where I am living is near the main road, so I can see a busy road which is crowded with vehicles. And on the opposite side of the road, there is a park which is full with people, especially in the morning and evening hours.
Do you like drinking tea?
Yes, I am a tea lover person. I start my day with a cup of tea and daily newspaper, and I take tea 2 or 3 times in a day. I also share evening tea with my family. My mother prepares very nice tea, and so I can say that I love the tea prepared by my mother.
What do you prefer more, tea or coffee?
Well, I prefer tea more. Sometimes I take coffee, but I avoid taking coffee more because coffee contains more caffeine. So, when I take coffee for 1 or 2 times in a day, it disturbs my sleep. So, I prefer to take tea because I like the taste of tea over coffee.
Do you offer tea or coffee to people who visit your house?
Yes, tea culture is very common culture in India. When there are guests at home, people serve them tea with some snacks or other eatables. It is a sign of hospitality. So whenever guests come to my house, I also serve them tea or coffee.
Who needs sleep more, children or adults?
I think children need sleep more because sleep is important for the regeneration of their cells, and sleep is important for their growth and proper functioning of their body organs. The adults usually they are busy in their life and they have less sleep as compared to the children. Infants below 2 years age, they sleep for 15 to 18 hours in a day. When people grow in their age, they sleep very less. Even sometimes in the old age, they have sleep problems like insomnia or sleeplessness. So with the increase in age, the sleep decreases.
Do you take a little nap in the mid of the day?
Yes, I whenever I have free time in the evening, I prefer to take a nap because a little nap refreshes me and it adds new energy to my mind, body and soul, and I can work more efficiently after taking a small nap.
How often do you like to watch movies?
Watching movies is my favorite hobby. So whenever I have enough free time at home, I prefer to spend my free time by watching movies. In my holidays, even I watch movies daily. But more oftenly, I watch movies once a week.
Did you often watch cinema when you were a child?
When I was child, going to cinema was not a popular trend. Even my parents were not interested in watching more movies. So I didn't go to cinema very much when I was a child.
Which type of movies do you like to watch?
My favorite type of movies is comedy because when I watch comedy movies, I feel more lighthearted. They help me to forget all the tensions and worries of my life. And sometimes I also like the movies which are adventurous and fantasy movies.
How often do you watch cinema now?
In my country, there are new released blockbusters every week. So I am the person who go to watch movies with my friends and with my family, usually in the weekends.
Who is your favorite Bollywood actor?
My favorite Bollywood actor is Salman Khan. I like him because of his unique personality and acting style. He is not only a good actor, but he is a very good person by heart. He is the person who donates 90% of his income for the charity, and he is working for several NGOs and helping the people in many ways. He is not only my favorite actor, but my role model also.
Have you seen a movie star somewhere?
Few months ago, I went to airport to see of my uncle. There I got chance to meet a famous actor of Punjabi as well as Bollywood industry, Daljit Dosanjh. Actually, he was in Amritsar to attend a music concert. Luckily, I got chance to take a selfie with him and I also took his autograph. So it was the only time when I had seen any movie actor.
How does it rain in your city?
The summer months, July, August, are the rainy months in my country because the monsoon is active in these months. So there is frequent rainfall. Also, there is more rainfall in December and January months, but rest of the months are usually dry and there is very less rainfall in other months of the year.
Do you like to go out in rainy days?
Yes, I love rain because during the rainy days there is freshness all around. All the dirt and dust is washed away. I also like to float paper boats in the rainwater, and in the summer I love to have rain dance. Rainy season is my favorite and I enjoy it a lot.